We're rolling.
Okay, we are gonna do another vlog now on the iPhone Pro 12 Max. So last vlog I did the iPhone Pro, the regular size, and then now we're gonna do a larger phone. So let me just start off by saying I don't really like large display phones. I had the iPhone XS Max, but now we're gonna just do it. And this is May's one. We're gonna unbox it.
I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to my husband for waking up at 3 a.m.
Yes.
to order this iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes, I woke up 3 a.m. because it used to be 12 midnight Pacific time, but they moved it to like 5 a.m. Pacific, which would be like 3 a.m. here. So yes, a lot of things going on, but we're gonna open it.
So excited.
Okay, open
I've been thinking about this all day. Okay. ASMR. That sound.
Forgot to cut this out.
Okay.
Alright.
My phone.
There's nothing in here.
Oh my god! It looks like it's huge.
We're gonna get
It looks like it's bigger than my phone right now. But yeah.
Alright.
So, but my phone cases came in earlier than my phone.
So we got her the Hello Kitty, and then some other things. So this is what we got her. We also got her the phone cover or screen cover. Oh, you're gonna open it?
I'm doing it.
Alright.
I want to take this opportunity to.
Okay.
You did yours.
Frames here.
Okay. Things here. He said. Okay, arte. You know. Oh my god.
Plastic pa lang yan, ah.
I've been waiting for this for a long time. I was like, oh my god.
$20 na?
Usually before it gets released by September, but because of COVID, maybe.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like mine, just a bigger one. I'm gonna do a little camera.
I love how it's not like super gold. Like I like the color.
Like
So
that.
this is gold
Like
here.
that, you can tell. We got part the other day. Cooking. Look.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's gonna go. It's the phone. Okay, do something.
So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got the gold one.
Okay. Woo! And it comes with the wireless charger. Just kidding. It doesn't come with anything.
So there. That's the back. I'm showing it first here. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm really like trying to sell it that it's worth it to get the bigger one. Okay. Oh my god, my fingerprints. Woo!
Before you touch it, let's clean it. Yes.
I love it.
You want to put a cover on it, right?
Yes. So I'm not touching it.
Put it
But
down.
look at this one, guys. It's just perfectly gold. I would get pink, but they don't have pink.
They don't.
Or purple, light purple, I would get it, but they don't have it right now. They only have gold, white, black, and Pacific blue. But I'm still happy with my gold one.
We will cover. We will clean it first. We're gonna do an alcohol prep, which is weird because it's already clean, but this is just to make sure. Why do I have a British accent?
I'm happy that I got the Pro Max. I'm so in love. I'm happy that I got the Pro Max.
And I'm happy I got the Pro because I don't like big phones.
I don't need to borrow his phone to take a picture.
Yeah, so quality wise on the
Yes.
iPhone Pro so far, yes, the photos come out very crisp and clean, and it's very So this is your best friend because it's lint remover, which means it's dust.
He's an expert for this.
We actually put this on first. This is just the guide. It's huge. Yeah, there's like a big bubble in the middle. We will need to remove.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
I think you put it wrong.
No, you just have to pop in. Okay, now we're gonna do a little backup. And I used to do the iCloud like what I said in my last video, but we are going to
Discard it.
discard that because I don't like iCloud. There's actually a restore from iPhone on this computer, and I'm just gonna continue, and we're just gonna run this. Okay, now it says connected to. This will then show up here, and I'll put okay. It's showing up here now, so it's gonna say a new version of iPhone. Oh, would you like to download and update now? Download and update. So restore is in progress. So after maybe like 20 minutes, should be done. Yeah, so this is the Face ID that iPhone is known for, which I think they should have included a thumbprint or whatever, because now we're doing the
Face mask.
wearing face masks all the time. But I think that might be on the next iPhone.
Next.
All right. You can tell this is the Pro, that's the Pro Max, and it's the lens. It's way bigger than the Pro, of course. Look at these sizes. The different. It's nice, but I think I'd rather have the smaller one.
I love my
Yeah.
Pro Max.
I like, but I think I'd rather have the smaller one.
I love my
Yeah.
Pro Max.
Yeah, I like.
So we're both
Satisfied.
We're both satisfied.
But we both got the gold, and then we're gonna see. But so far, I like this one. Oop,
Picture.
I like this one. I really like this one, and I know she's gonna like hers. So thank
I
you for
love it.
So thank you for watching this vlog. We will continue to review in the weeks to come and do a comparison